Good morning Year 2 and welcome to Maths on Monday the 15th of June. Before we start doing any maths, I'd like you to get your workbooks out and I'd like you to write the date and the learning objective. Okay, have you got it? Here we go. 15th of June 2020. And our learning objective is to subtract 2-digit numbers. I'm going to hold it up close to your video. Okay, pause your video while you write it. Okay, you done that? Super. Right, to get our brains working and getting ready for our maths today, we're going to start by practicing counting in fives. I know you're pretty good at this, but I'm going to be asking you some questions about multiples of 5 afterwards. So are you ready? We're going to start off counting in fives. So I've got our 100 square to help us if you can't quite remember. Are you ready? Flash your hands as you're counting because you've got 5 fingers, so that will help you. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, going to go backwards now. Are you ready? 100, 95, 90, 85, 80, 75, 70, 65, 60, 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0. What's the pattern in our 5 times table when we count up in fives each time? And you see there's a pattern. They all either end in a 5 or a 0. So this also means that if it's in the 5 times table, if your 5 times tables are also a factor of 10, a multiple of 10. Okay, let's have a little look at your counting in fives challenge. Now remember the pattern we spotted. This will help you with our next question. They end in, that's right, a 0 or a 5. So let's have a look at our first question. Are you ready? I want you to write in your book very quickly all the multiples of 5. It's got 56, 11, 55, 100, 20, 15. Only write down the multiples of 5. Are you ready? Next one. Okay. We've got some more numbers to have a quick look at. Only write the multiples of 5. Are you ready? 25, 16, 35, 53, 40, 65. Remember our pattern, 0 or 5s. Check your ones column. Okay, now once you've done it, let's have a check, see if you've got the same numbers that I've highlighted. Okay, 55 ends in a 5, that's okay. 100 ends in a 0. 20 ends in a 0. 15 ends in a 5. So you shall have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers written in your book. Let's check the next lot. 25 ends in a 5. 5 times table. 16. Does it end in a 5 or a 0? Not that one. 35. What's it ending in? 5. Multiple of 5. Ready? 53. Oh, it's got a 5 in it. But is it in the ones column? So no. It's not a multiple of 5. Ready? 40, ending in a 0, multiple of 5. And 65, ends in a 5. Well done if you got those 4 numbers. Okay, our next job. We're going to have a look at all the different words we can use for subtraction, because remember our learning objective that you wrote this morning was to subtract 2-digit numbers. Okay, so let's have a think. Tell your grown up all the different words that you can think of, the mathematical words that mean that you have to take away, that your numbers are going to get smaller with your answer. Okay, give you a couple of minutes to think about it, press your pause button, and then I'll find all the ones that I thought of, and then you can see if you got them all or if you've got any more. These are going to be coming in very useful throughout the week because we're going to be problem solving after practicing our methods this morning. You ready? You ready for my words? Let's have a look. I've got my great big takeaway sign in the middle. Okay. Show it me with your arms. Take away. Well done. I've got, you ready? Subtract and subtraction. Did you get those? If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. I've got take away. Thumbs up if you got that one. I've also got less. Did you get that one? Well done. I've got minus. I've got difference. So if you're asked to find the difference, you know that you need to take away. You may not have heard of this one. There's also decrease. So if I said, decrease your number by 5, it means that you have to take away 5. I've also got deduct. Deduct is another way to say take away or subtract. Let's see how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different words, all meaning that you have to subtract your amounts. Okay? Now let's move on to see how we're going to solve some of these questions. Now, I know some of these you might think, oh, they're easy peasy lemon squeezy, which they might be for you. But if you're struggling and you can't do it in your head, and you can't do it by taking away on your fingers, you need to be able to know how you can use our pictorial method. Now, we used it in addition last week, didn't we? Using our number line. So we're going to have a little look what we need to do with our number line. Right, let's take a look at our first number sentence. Let's read it to ourselves first. 17 take away 5 equals. Now, subtraction is not like addition. Okay, we can't do it any old way. When we're subtracting in year 2, we start with the biggest number. Okay, so we're going to start on our 17 and we're going to take away 5. So first of all, you're going to need your ruler and you're going to need to draw your number line. Are you ready? So I'm drawing my line. Only this time, my big number goes at the end of my number line because we're taking away this time, aren't we? We're not adding, we're taking away. So we're going to need to make our jumps go back because our numbers are going to get smaller, our amounts. Are you ready? We're taking away 5, so we're going to need to do 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's count back. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. 17 take away 5 equals 12. Okay. Now I want you to have a go at the next one. Write it in your books. Okay, shall we have a look at it? 23 take away 8 equals. Don't forget to draw your number line. Your big number goes at the end of the number line and you're doing jumps backwards. Okay, have a go. Pause your video and then we'll have a look again together in a moment to check that you've got the right answer. Okay, off you go. Okay, have you done that? Let's check what you did. Okay, did you draw your line? Let's put my number line in. Did you have your 23 at the end? Let's put our 23 in. And we're going to take away 8. Jump back 8. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've just taken away our 8. Let's count back. 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. So we can say 23 take away 8 equals 15. Now if you're not so confident counting backwards and you're a bit worried you might miss some numbers out, I'm going to put 100 square up on the website, okay, just below our videos, so that if you need it you can look at it and it can help you count backwards for doing your subtraction. Okay, let's have a little go. There's going to be some number questions on our web page. Have a look at them, write them into your books and have a go. When you've done those, come back to the video and we will have a go at some trickier ones. Okay, see you in a minute. How did you get on? Don't forget to check your answers on the work page. Okay, they're all there and the workings for you to have a little look at. Now we're going to move on to where we take away 2 numbers. Okay, again we're going to use the same method with the number line. So let's have a little look. Let's read our number sentence first. 19 take away 4 take away 2 equals. Okay, let's draw our number line. Where we're going to put our biggest number that we're taking something away from. So 19, we're going to put it at the end of our number line because we're having to go backwards. Okay, when we take away, we'll take away the biggest number first, okay, if we're taking 2. So let's have a look, which is bigger, 4 or 2? 4. So let's do 19, take away 4 first. So we're going to do 4 jumps back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Okay, let's tick it. We've done that one. 19 take away 4 is 15. And we're going to take away 2 more. You ready? So let's subtract 2 more. 1, 2 jumps back. So we're going to go 15, 14, 13. So 19 take away 4 take away 2 equals 13. Okay, have a look at the next one. Okay, let's read it. 27 take away 6 take away 9 equals. Okay, pause your video because I want you to have a little go of that one on your own. Again, you've got the 100 sheet to help you if you need it, to count backwards. Okay, draw your number line, makes it much easier to solve. Pause it and then we can have a look at it together in a couple of minutes. Okay, have you done it? Let's check. I'm going to put my 27 right at the end of my number line. There we go, put it in. Now, which is bigger, 6 or 9? number 9. So I'm going to take away my number 9 first. So are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's have a look. 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. Let's write it in. Okay, I'm going to tick it because I've taken away the 9. I'm now going to take away the 6. I need to do 6 jumps back. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see I ran out of number line. If you do that, don't worry, just extend your line a little bit. Okay, let's count now. So I've got on my 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. So 27, take 9, take away 6 equals 12. Now again, you've got some more number sentences to solve on the worksheet, which is down on the website down below. Okay, have a little go. Once you've done it, check your answers against mine. Make sure you do your number line to help you. Okay, when you've done those questions, come back and we'll have a go at one more tricky one. That one we'll have had a go at doing all the ways to help us solve our subtractions using our number line. Okay, you can see it's getting a little bit trickier now. We had been deducting, taking away or subtracting 1-digit numbers from 2-digit numbers. We're now going to be taking away 2-digit numbers from a 2-digit number. So both of them have got 10s and 1s. So what do you think we're going to need to draw to help us solve this one? Because it would take us a long time trying to do 14 jumps back down a number line. There is an easier way to do it. Okay, we're going to use our 10s and 1s table again. Okay, so I'm going to draw it in. Always use your ruler so it looks neat. Okay, you try and draw a straight line, freehand, it always looks messy. Okay, so let's have a look at our number that we're starting with. We've got a 26, we've got, oh, I forgot to put my 10s and my 1s in. Let's pop it in. Okay, 26, we've got 2 10s, so let's put our 2 10 sticks in and our 6 1s. Ready? Count carefully, because otherwise your answer will never be right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we're going to take away 14. Now we take away the 1s first. So let's cross them out. We're ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 1s have you got left? 1, 2. So we can put our 2 underneath here. So we've taken away our 1s. Now we've got to take away our 10s. So let's take away one of the 10 sticks. How many have we got left? 1 10 stick. Let's put it in. 12. 26. Take away 14 equals 12. Okay. Can you have a go at the next one? Ready? I'm going to do 36, take away 15 equals. Okay, pause your video, have a little look, have a go on your own, write it in your workbook, okay, and come back in a couple of minutes and we'll check your answer is the same as mine. Okay, pause your video, off you go. Okay, have you done it? Let's check it together. Okay, I'm going to draw in my 10s and 1s table again. Draw my line. Okay. So let's put my 36 in. How many 10 sticks do I need for 36? 3, that's right. 1, 2, 3. And my 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, how many am I subtracting? 15. What do we take away first? The ones, that's right. So I'm going to take away my ones first. I've got 5 ones. Let's cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones have I got left? Just the 1. Okay, so I'm going to write my 1 in. Okay, taking those away, I'm giving it a tick. How many 10s have I got? Just 1 10 stick. So let's cross it out. How many have I got left? 1, 2 lots of 10. Let's write my 2 lots of 10 in. And I've got 21 left. So 36, take away 15 equals 21. If you got that answer, give yourselves a pat on the back and a big well done. Okay, we're going to try one more of these that's a tiny bit trickier. So you're going to have to listen really carefully because it is quite hard, but I think you can do it. Okay, so I'm going to have a go at 37, take away 29. Now I'll tell you why that's trickier, because when we look at our numbers, the 10s are okay, because the 10s are less, but when you look at our 1s, your 1s from the number that you're taking away are more than your whole number that you're starting with. So let's have a look how we do this. Okay, I think you'll be okay, but we'll just have a little look together first. Okay. So I'm drawing in my 10s table again. Okay, I'm labelling it 10s and 1s. Okay, and I'm going to put in my 37. How many lots of 10? 3, that's right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. How many 1s? I've got 7, haven't I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've got 37. Okay. Now, I've got to take away 29. Okay. And we know we always start with the 1s, taking the 1s away. Can I take 9 from 7? I can't do it. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to move one of these 10s over to here. And I'm going to change it to 1s. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I've moved it from there to our 1s to allow us to take away the 9. Let's cross them out. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've had to use some of those 10s, haven't I? One of those 10 1s I moved. Let's check how many I've got left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I put my 8 1s down here. I've got 2 10s left, haven't I? How many am I taking away? 29. How many 2 10s? So I'm going to cross out 10. 22 of them. Have I got any left? None. So 37 take away 29 equals 8. Okay, we're going to have a go at doing one more of those together, and then you're going to have a little go on your own. Are you ready? Let's try a new one. Let's try, ready? 45 take away 29. Okay, what do we need to draw? Tens and ones table. Let's put it in. There we go. Put my tens in, put my ones. Let's put my whole number in. 45, how many tens? 4, isn't there? 4 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ones? 5, isn't there? Let's put them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45. Put that in. What do we have to take away first? The ones. 9. Can I take 9 from 5? So I'm going to have to move one of my tens so that I can do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put them in. Now I can take my 9 away. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many ones have I got left now then? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put my 6 in. Okay. Now I've got to take my 2 tens away from my 29. Cross them out. 1, 2. How many tens have I got left? Just the 1. Okay, so I've got the number 16. 45 take away 29 equals 16. Okay. Now it is a bit tricky, but I think you can do this. If you get a little bit stuck, play the video again and watch the method. Okay, and then try again. On the worksheets on the website, there's a couple of these to try. Some where you have to cross over the 10 and move it over. Some a little bit simpler. See what you can do. I'll put my workings in and show you how to do it. Okay, so you can check your answers when you've done it. Have faith in yourselves. You are super duper at maths. I think you can do it. Okay, if you've got any problems, please just send me a little message on the email. Okay, and we can sort it out straight away. Okay, good luck year 2. Have fun. Okay, bye bye.